today I'm going to talk about Masterclass, and I will do that because I have heard that many of you actually don't know what Masterclass is and what we are doing and so on. And I promise that it's over now because I will tell you all I know about it from last year. But of course, last year was a little bit different, but I will come back to that. First of all, is Masterclass a place where you have to go to an audition to be in it? And I promise it's not that hard. But Masterclass is a place where there's a lot of mixed creativity. And that means that we are actors and musicians and teachers and tailors, and there's also manuscript writers. So we are a lot of people, and they are all creative and all that. So it's an amazing team to be in it. And Masterclass is a place where you are actually in your group. And that means that I was an actress, so I was with the other actors. And when I was with the other actors, we have a lot of time to talk and learn each other, and we did a lot of team building. And we did that because when you are an actor, you have to know each other very well. Because if something happens on stage, you have to be ready and you have to trust each other. So Masterclass is also built on trust. But it's a place with creativity and big mind because we all want this show to be the best possible show, and we all have this enthusiasm that is amazing to experience. And of course, we have to do a lot of time where we talked about how we're gonna do this show. But we have to be physical to do all these things. For example, the team building. And the team building is like, okay, when we are talking about this and trying it out and all that, so we can figure out what works and what doesn't work. So if we did that last year, we could have been having the most amazing show because we made it on our own. But everything was stopped by Corona. Corona came for the first time in April 15, 2020. And of course, we all remember how it was, and it was just a stop bottom. So all the process just stopped, and we, of course, Corona came and it went a little bit away, but then it came back on the worst possible time because we had this show going on, and yeah, it was just taken away from us. But Masterclass, we don't give up. So we had a lot of solutions going on. But solution after solution after solution was taken away from us. And in the end, there were no show and there were no party to celebrate, and there were nothing left. But the whole point of this is that Masterclass is a place for everyone who has a creative mind and enthusiasm, and yeah, it's a place where you can be in an amazing team with other people. It's people from Ringsted and people from Haslev all together in this project. And this year there will also be a Masterclass. And I will, of course, we have to look at the situation and all that, but Corona is almost gone. So if I will personally suggest you to considering Masterclass as a thing to join, because Masterclass is a place for everyone, and it's so fun. Thank you.